My name is Leroy. I'm from
So,
Bequia.
Leroy from Bequia,
Bequia.
Deal from Bequia.
Dale from Bequia, and of course, Stoney from
The
Bequia.
whole crew from Bequia.
Okay, so how has your day been? Where have you been? Where have you been today?
Okay, we come to Mostik. And from Mostik back to Bequia. And from Bequia back to Saint Vincent. From Saint Vincent back to Bequia and then to Tobago Keys. And then we're back in Mostik right now.
That's a lot of traveling.
That's a lot of fun.
That was a lot of water. And when I think about it, I mean, for the amount of time we spent in Bequia refueling and having food and so on, and still it's only 4 o'clock by the time we arrived here. And we left Bequia late this morning.
We could make another trip too.
So we could have made another trip. We could have gone up to St. Lucia and down to Tobago Keys. You know, I mean, the boat was so fast. But you didn't really drive it to the max. You only did, yeah, wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, this boat is very, very fast. When you want to get out and about and do a lot in one day here in St. Vincent, this is the boat to choose because you get a smooth ride and no pounding. You might get wet. You might get wet.
Once you're on the boat, you must get wet.
You'll get wet. You'll get wet. But if you want to like go places quickly, and the nice sound of the V8 engines as well, that's very good.